Hi guys, I just want to show you how to unfold these kind of things here that you have here. So if you look at this model here, this surface here, you cannot manufacture it. You know why? Because there's a sharp joint here. Sharp joint here in the you cannot cut it here. You have to have a fillet here in order to manufacture it, because otherwise you cannot bend it here. You cannot bend the continuous material with a sharp angle here. You're gonna break it, right? So here on the other side you have a circle here, and then on this side here kind of a outside duct line here. So you need to have a small fillet here. But if you look at this model here, you have, and you can see that this is actually a double curvature surface here. So there's a we talk about then the double curvature surface, or called an unfoldable surface, or the other is called developable surface here. So the developable surface is actually the surface like cylinders, then you can unfold it here without any loss, any accuracies here. But for the surface like a soccer ball, for example, and then sphere, that's not unfoldable surface. And then you have to stretch it here to unfold it here. Our algorithm here to calculate the minimum deformed material and to unfold the result for you. So that's mostly is very accurate for the manufacture purpose. But for this one here, you can see here this is actually a double curvature surface, so you cannot unfold them. Unfold three surfaces together into a single contour. If there's an all planar surface, and that will be fine here. And you still can unfold this one, but you need to do it yourself here. You need to create a single surface here. So this is actually a composite surface. Composite surface means that if you explode it here, if you explode this surface, this model here, then you can see you have three surfaces joined together here, and then you can just make them a composite or join them surface together, and this is kind of called composite surface here. And but for the unfolding purpose here in the AutoCAD, and then you have to create a single surface for this kind of shape here for the double curvature feature that you have. So if you want to look at then the developer surface or then the double curvature surface, there are a ton of material if you Google it here. This is actually the CAD-CAM concept. It's not from us. And it's quite a standard feature like mathematics or these kind of things here that we will not provide any material to explain how what they are. Okay, so now come to this one here. Now come to the question that how could I unfold this surface? You can do something like this one here, but there are other things that the purpose of this to unfold this surface here, that you have to create a single nerve surface or single surface to represent this shape. And then what I have done here, that what you can do here, that you slice this one into a two part here, right? So you can slice as many parts as you want, and if you want to have a high accuracies, and then you need to slice more. Then what you can do here, what I need here is a contour here to represent the whole shape here, right? So when you slice in the two half, and for this video I just show you then how to do that, is you basically create the you have a contour here like this one, for example, and you extract the edge, right? So and then you have all kind of shape like this one here, then you join them here like this one here. This is contour here. Make a copy of that here. So and then you can get many such contour. What you can do here is then you join the curve here. You join the three curves together, and to this is actually you have a single composite curve here. You cannot use composite curve to loft a surface, and then if you use that composite curve to loft a surface, and then you can loft a composite surface, then it doesn't work. So now you can just you have to rebuild the curve here. You use command rebuild the curve, and they will do that for you here, right? So and the accuracy here you have to adjust yourself here to meet your accuracies here. You can just make a very fine curve here, right? So but most of them here you have to have a fillet here in order to bend it here. Okay, and make sure that you have a less point control point. I don't know whether you know then the B-spline or B-spline curve surface. Then you use the less control point, going to be easy for you, and the accuracy going to be high. So now we have assuming that we have all kind of contour here, and then you loft a surface. Then you just loft a surface here. Then you select this one here, and they will loft the surface for you here. And similar like this one here, exactly the same here, right? So once you have this one here, and then you can just unfold the surface here, and then you select this one here, and then you will get the result here. So you will get no, just a moment here. Go, okay. Okay, you see here, and this is actually what you can get the contour of this one here. And for the accuracy, for the high accuracy, you have to create a fine surface model to represent your shape here. I hope that this video can help you to resolve your issue. If you have any problem, just shoot me email here. I try to help you. Thank you. Bye.